Wow. Thought it was about time that we gave an update on what's happening with the house. If we go from the end to the start, there's just so many plates in the air right now. We've got to have the plumbing updated for the septic tank while the deck is being rebuilt and the house is being restumped so that we can have a new kitchen which includes a dishwasher. I guess when I vomit it all out like this, it makes me realise that there is a lot going on. Kicking off Tuesday, so maybe in 4 or 5 months from now, it's gonna be in a way better spot than it is now.